general reserve is 1 lakh I'm taking. From the P&L account, I'm getting 50,000, become 1 lakh 50,000. How much premium payable? 20,000. How much available? 5,000. What's your preference share face value? Existing premium is 20,000, which has been utilized for redemption of preference share. How much left over? 5,000. You have to pay the premium of 20,000. How much available in the balance sheet? 20,000 payoff. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence. We are doing Financial Accounting 3, third semester BBA. The session goes in favor of redemption of preference share. I told in the last class what is actually redemption. Redemption means payback of preference share. So here we got two types of share. One is called equity share, another is preference share. Equity share cannot be paid back till the company liquidate, whereas a preference share will be paid back after a stipulated time with a dividend. Only thing, no, equity shareholder have a voting right, preference shareholder do not have the voting right. And the another condition, no, preference share can be redeemed either at par or a premium, but not at a discount. But another point, no, it should be fully paid up. Partly paid up will not be paid off. So we'll move to problem now. The problem. The following is the balance sheet of the Darshan Limited. You got, see the, what is the, you got the redeemable preference share here, no, 5,000 equity shares of each and 20,000 redeemable preference shares of rupees 2 lakh we have to redeem. Means we have got general reserve 1 lakh, profit and loss of 1 lakh 80,000, share premium 20,000, capital reserve 50,000, debenture, everything is there. Then you move on. It was decided to redeem the preference share at 10% premium. The following scheme was to be resolved for the purpose of all the investment were sold for 1 lakh 80,000 is there. If you see the investment value, what's your investment value is 2 lakh is there. The 2 lakh has been sold for 1 lakh 80,000 at a loss of 20,000. What is the selling price? See that 1 lakh 80,000. How much loss we suffered? 20. What's the entry? Bank account data 1 lakh 80,000. Profit and loss account data 20,000. To investment account 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees. What's the entry? Bank account data 1 lakh 80,000. Profit and loss account data 20,000. To investment account 2 lakh. Then we'll move on. The company made a fresh issue. They had 5,000 equity shares of return each at a premium of 10%. The issue was taken up and fully paid, past general entries there. So here we come across now. What is the total amount payable? You see that. What is the total amount payable is 2 lakh. Okay. Preference share capital. Preference share capital 2 lakh. Add 10% premium you have to pay. The total amount is 2 lakh, 10% is 20,000. Totally we have to pay 2 lakh 20,000. See the board, you can understand. You see the balance sheet. Your 2 lakh is there. Then the premium of 10%, you are going to pay 2 lakh 20,000. Here no, face value rupees 2 lakh. Your face value rupees 2 lakh. Premium 20,000 you have to pay. Totally you have to pay 2 lakh 20,000 is paid. So in order to pay this, no, fresh issue has been made. How many shares were issued? See that? The company issued 5,000 equity share of 10 each. Fresh issue. 5,000 share of rupees 10 each. This is 50,000. So 5,000 into 10 is 5 followed by 40, 50,000. How much premium is there? At a premium of 10% plus premium at 10%. 10% of this is 5,000. So 50,000 is the face value, 5,000 is the premium. How much premium payable? 20,000. How much available? 5,000. What's your preferential face value? 2 lakh. Here 2 lakh. How much you got for 2 lakh rupees? You got a face value of rupees 50,000. So 1 lakh 50 is the shortage. See that your shortage can be made up with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. If you see in your general reserve is 1 lakh is there, in your profit and loss account 1 lakh 80,000 is there. How much you require now? You have got 2 lakh. How much here got equity 50,000? How much shortage? 1 lakh 50,000. So this can be shortage, can be made up with the help of general reserve and P&L account. See that your general reserve is how much? 1 lakh is there. General reserve 1 lakh you can take. Profit and loss you can take 50,000. So general reserve is 1 lakh I am taking. From the P&L account I am getting 50,000, become 1 lakh 50,000. How much premium payable? See that? You got share premium is 20,000. How much payable? 20,000. So whatever available we can pay off. How much extra we have got come? 5,000. This will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. So you have first issue the share, then create the CRR. Here problem is first issue the share and create the what's called CRR. So how many shares were issued? 5,000 and 10, 50,000, 10% premium 5,000. So 50 is the face value. For 2 lakh you got 50,000. How much shortage will come? 1 lakh 50,000 will come. Premium 20,000 already in the balance sheet 20,000. Premium to premium, how much extra is there? 5,000. So we'll go to entry now. First entry, sale of investment, bank account debtor 1 lakh 80,000, profit and loss account debtor 20,000, to investment 2 lakh. Being investment sold. Being investment sold. Being investment sold. Second entry. You have created the share, issuing the share. How many shares were issued? 5,000. Bank account debtor. You have issued about 5,000 share. Your face value is 10. Issued at the 10% premium 11 rupees. So 5 lakh 50. This is 11 5 is 55,000. 55,000 to equity share capital. So 5,000 into 10. This is 50,000. Share premium. So 5,000 into 1, 5,000. So you have issued the share, bank account, 5,000 revenue is 55,000. What's equity share cap? 50,000. Your equity share premium is 5,000. Number 3. You have to pay the premium of 20,000. How much available in the balance sheet? 20,000 payoff. Equity share premium. Equity share premium. Account debtor 20,000 to redeemable preference share premium 20,000. So premium has been paid off. Now, before paying to them, you transfer to holder account. Number 4, you got about 50,000. Create 1 lakh 50,000 CR. General reserve account debtor 1 lakh. Create 1 lakh. Profit and loss account debtor 50,000. What's the entry? General reserve account debtor 1 lakh. profit and loss account debtor 50,000 to CRR 1,50,000. We have created CRR 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 here, by issuing the share 50,000, 2 lakh, premium to premium is okay. Next, number 5, redeemable preference share capital. Redeemable preference share capital 2 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium 20,000 to redeemable preference shareholders 2,20,000 payable. So what's the entry? Redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference shareholder account. Now we can pay off. What's the next entry? Redeemable preference share holders account debtor 2,20,000 to bank account. 2,20,000 paid off. So we have paid off now. Then open the bank account. I will explain the entry. See that. If you see your balance sheet, you can understand. Here, how much is payable? 1 lakh. Totally, we have to pay the 2 lakh rupees. 10% is 20,000. You have to pay 2,20,000. Totally, we have to pay 2,20,000. So 2 lakh is the face value. 20,000 premium. Fresh issue is 5,000 shares of 10 each 50,000 at a premium 1 5,000. So 2 lakh face value. Your face value is 50,000. How much shortage? 1,50,000. For that, you have to create the CRR with the help of the fund, general reserve and profit and loss account. I took 1 lakh from the general reserve and 50,000 from the profit and loss account. So the entry goes now. First, in the investment has been sold, bank account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to investment account, and issue the share, bank account debtor 55,000 to equity share capital to equity share premium. Then premium to premium is gone. Here, premium to premium, equity share premium to preference share premium. Next, general reserve account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to CRR account creation. So before paying to the preference shareholder, transfer entry, redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor, redeemable preference shareholder account. Now pay off. Redeemable preference share holders account debtor to bank account 2,20,000. So we have been paid up. So see the balance sheet. What's your cash at bank? Your cash at bank is 3 lakh. Come back here. To balance brought down. To balance brought down is 3 lakh. Sale of investment 1,80,000. Issue of shares, issue of share capital. See the bank account. Issue of share, how much you got? 55,000. Then buy redeemable preference shareholders. How much you have to pay? 2,20,000 we have to pay. Add the figure. This is 55,000. 30. 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 3 is 4 plus 5. 5,35,000. This is 55,000. This is 3 lakh plus 4,80,000 plus 55,000, 5,35,000, 5,35,000, deduct 2,20,000 minus 2,20,000, 3,15,000, balance carried down, cash at bank. How much left over? 3,15,000, that's the cash at bank. Then go to the balance sheet. Here you say liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. We'll go with the whole balance sheet now. First one, land and building, 4 lakh. Land and building, 4 lakh. Land and building, 4 lakh. Then see that what's next you got? Plant and machinery, 1,50,000. Machinery, 1,50,000. This is your balance sheet after redemption. Your land and building is 4 lakh. Your machinery is 1,50,000. So this over. Furniture, 1,20,000. Furniture, 1,20,000. Furniture over. Motor vehicle, 1 lakh. Motor vehicle, 1 lakh. What is next you got? Motor vehicle, 1 lakh. Investment has sold. Debtor, 1,50,000. Debtor, 1,50,000. Stock, 80,000. As per the old balance sheet, land and building 4 lakh, machinery 1,50,000, furniture 1,20,000, motor vehicle 1 lakh, debtor 1,50,000, stock 80,000, bank, cash at bank 3,15,000, 315. Come back to liability side. If you go to the old balance sheet, so 50,000 equity share of 5 lakh is there. New issue is 50,000. So equity share capital. Here, equity share capital. You already got 5 lakh plus 50,000. We check the item now. You got 5 lakh. Extra is 50,000. It becomes 5,50,000. 5,50,000. Then what is the next you got? This is 5 lakh. So instead of redeemable preferential, we created the CRR to the extent of 1,50,000. CRR 1,50,000. Then, so this over. So general reserve fully utilized. Profit and loss account 1,80,000. 50,000 has been taken. 20,000 loss on sale of investment. Profit and loss 1,80,000 minus 20,000 is the loss on sale of investment, minus 50,000 has been utilized for CRR creation. 1,80,000 minus, so 70,000 gone. So 1 lakh. So 1,80,000, 1,60,000. 50 gone means 1,10,000 left over. Then what is the next one? See that this over. Share premium 20 has been utilized. New share premium is 5,000. Share premium new one 5,000. Then, so premium capital reserve is 50,000. Capital reserve 50,000. Debenture, as per the problem, debenture, your debenture is 2 lakh, debenture is 2 lakh, creditors and BP. Your creditor is 50,000, BP is 2 lakh, creditor 50,000, BP is 2 lakh. So we'll explain the problem now. We'll make the touch here. Here 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 50 is 5 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 50,000, 7 lakh. No. 4 lakh 5 lakh 50,000, 5 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000, 6 lakh 70,000 plus 1 lakh. So 7 lakh 70,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000, 9 lakh 20,000 plus 80,000, 10 lakh plus 3 lakh 15,000. So somewhere 13 lakh 15,000. Here 5 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 50,000 plus 2 lakh plus 50,000 plus 2 lakh, 13 lakh 15,000. So it will tally for 13 lakh 15,000. 13 lakh 15,000. It will tally for 13 lakh 15,000. So here the date of the balance sheet 31/3/2009. 31/3/2019. That's the date of the balance sheet. 31/3/2019. So here you got asset, land and building 4 lakh, machinery 1 lakh 50,000, furniture 1 lakh 20,000, motor vehicle 1 lakh, investment won't come, it has been sold out, debtor is 1 lakh 50,000, stock is 80,000. As per the bank balance, cash at bank is 3 lakh 15,000. You already existing capital 5 lakh, by issuing the share 50,000 become 5 lakh 50,000. You created a CR with the help of the general reserve and P&L account 1 lakh 50,000. In your P&L account 1 lakh 80,000. Loss on sale of investment 20,000. CRR utilized 50,000. 1 lakh 10,000 left over. The extra existing premium is 20,000, which has been utilized for redemption of preference share. How much left over? 5,000. Capital reserve same. Debenture remains same. Creditor same. BP is same. So it will tally for 13 lakh 15,000. Balance sheet. Major question 15 marks. So it will tally for 13 lakh 15,000. First create the CR. For the balance you issue the share. Here they created the issue the share. For the balance we created a CR. Preference share premium should be paid out of the equity share premium. If it is not available, you have to pay from the profit and loss account. Here equity share premium is available 20,000. You can utilize that 20,000. No problem at all. How much left over? 5,000. Okay. So you have to pass the entry. When the investment is sold at a loss, bank account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to investment account. When shares are issued, bank account debtor to equity share capital to equity share premium. Preference share premium paid out of the equity share premium. Equity share premium account debtor to preference share premium. Before paying, it should be transferred to holder account. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor 2 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account debtor 20,000. To redeemable preference shareholder account 2 lakh 20,000. Pay off redeemable preference shareholder account data to bank account. So open the bank account. If you open the bank account, you understand. So debit, we have got old balance. Then by sale of investment, you got the money. By issue of the share money, you have got the share money. You have got all the money should be added. You pay the 2,20,000. Whatever the balance left over, there is a cash at bank that will transfer to balance sheet. So in place of, on the liability side, in place of preference share, we rate the word called CRR because the share have been paid off, but the amount have been paid off, share lies with the company till it is issued the share. So it is in the name of CRR. Once you issue the share, CRR will go in that place, preference share will become. So I have explained detailedly. So redemption of preference share is a good problem. A definite problem of 15 marks will come. And I solved about 7 problems here. All types of problem have been solved. We'll go in the next session, with a new chapter, maybe liquidity or final statement of account. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.